my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Welcome to the room of people who have rooms of people that they loved one day docked away. Just because we check the guns at the door doesn't mean our brains will change from hand grenades.
I'm gonna find a mattress. I'm gonna go back home. This works. I'm gonna explore this forest. Is this metal? LOL. These trees ain't falling. Yes. Where am I? What the people so rude? Fuck this. I'll just kill them. You guys messed the wrong person. A green bandana. I think I can use it to look around this place. I'm gonna look around the building.
That fucking loser kills our friends.
Our car. Let's kill the loser.
Nah.
Let's just make him suffer.
Hey Dave, watch out.
I hope I find something good in here. Shit, that hurts. This house or building is old and broken.
You dumbass. I told you to watch out. Ooh. I finally got you, freak.
Someone's here. Oh fuck. Oh shit.
Looks like someone's inside.
Grab it.
Come out now.
Ah. I think she's downstairs. Hello, fucker. That's easy.
Dave is coming hot.
John and Black ready for some autograph.
Hold up hot.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't